back to Red Ted Art. This is the first of a series of princess baubles. I've got a total of 7 to make, and I will share them hopefully day by day. And they come with free printables, and I think they're super duper cute. So we've got Snow White, and don't forget we've also got Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse up in the iCards down below, and I think you'd really like those too. But yes, let's take a look and see how Snow White is made. You will need your Snow White printable, some yellow paper, a little bit of thread, scissors and glue stick. So just put this thread over there. We'll need it in a minute. Roughly cut out your Snow White. Keep that circle, that's going to be your template. And you know, keep this as scrap paper, really good size, there's plenty you can make with it. And the first thing you want to do is fold your Snow White in half and make sure it aligns perfectly. Now the way I always do it, and I won't be able to show you in the video, is I hold it against the window and make sure it's super duper well aligned, because then the light shines through. So I'll just do that, come back, and then we'll do the next bit. So I made a really neat crease here once I knew it was well aligned, so that I can do the next steps easily without having to fiddle too much. So I'm going to now put some glue all over. Make sure that when you look at the shapes underneath, you're reaching all the corners, because you want a nice seal. So all the feet and the skirts, actually there's no feet on this one, is there? But definitely get the hands, and I'd say more is safer. And then also take your thread, place it in the middle, she says, and then fold over with your nice neat crease and make sure it's all in place. Now if you forget to add the thread, that's fine, don't worry about it. On these ones I just took a little needle and I threaded it through and made a little hole. Whereas it's up to you. Just make sure that when you're cutting it you don't cut the thread off. So now I'm going to carefully cut out my Snow White. Do it as neatly as possible. If you're working with younger children, you might want to do this step and they can do the next step. So it's a really nice collaborative project. I'll speed this bit up. As mentioned, don't cut the thread when you get to the top. Once you've cut it out, check both sides. I think I lined it quite well. If you need to, you know, you can always just do a tiny bit of trimming if there's a little bit of white showing, and it shouldn't matter too much. You won't damage your doll. It'll be fine. So you can always do a little bit of extra, but I think that worked quite well. So I've got my basic Snow White ready. Now I need to create her skirt, or her ornament bauble skirt. So I'm going to use my template. I have my template, and now I want to get 8 circles. So I'm going to do that on you know, sped up. Hopefully I'll get, I think out of the scrap piece of paper I'll be able to get 8 out. It looks all right. Okay, we have our 8 circles. Fold them all in half. Now add a little bit of glue to one side and stick 4 of these together, only 4. So imagine where your skirt will go. It will go pretty much here. So I've got a little point here and a little point here that needs to be cut off. And then the same, although we can cut that off once it's stuck on. So I'll cut this. And then we can make sure, well, actually just check first that we're happy. I think that looks good, look. Yep, then you can repeat that for the other one to make sure that they're the same. And now add a bit of glue. So open up the circles. and stick down. So make sure they're nicely aligned. Last thing to do for this half is just to give it a trim. And then you've got that nice skirt shape. Repeat on the other side. Flatten and again trim. And that is your Snow White bauble. So open up the sides and here. Your Snow White bauble is finished. Isn't she adorable? Just so cute. Now remember, this is a set of 7 princesses I'm currently making for you. I'm making them day by day because it's quite a lot of videos and printables to produce, so do keep watch out for those and come back soon. Anyway, in the meantime, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Above all, keep watching, keep making, and we'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye.